Hello my beautiful family, welcome to Banana TV. My name is Monica. Today we are making Hardbody chicken. This is one of my favorite things to cook. I really enjoy this meat. Hey fam, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it. Let's cook, my fam. I bought this Hardbody chicken fresh from this other lady in Kailami. She normally parks the car on the side of the road. I think the street name is Walton Road and Wiskin Avenue. I'm not sure. You can check that out. But hey fam, I'm just curious. Please let me know in the comment section if you eat the head. I'm just curious. To make this chicken, I'm not going to brown it first, so I'm just going to add it directly into the pot, add water, and add 1 tablespoon of 6-gun or chicken spice, or you can use all-purpose seasoning. For me, I used 1 tablespoon of 6-gun, and then close it and allow it to cook for a whole hour and 30 minutes. Keep adding water if you need to. I added about 2 more cups. Nice, it smells so divine in here. It's an hour and 30 minutes later. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to pour this chicken stock into a container and set it aside. We're gonna use it later on after we add our onions and peppers. So now what we're gonna do is add 1 chopped onion and add bell peppers and mix everything well, and then add 1 extra teaspoon of 6-gun just to make sure that there's very nice flavors in our chicken. Remember, if you don't have 6-gun in your country, you just have to use all-purpose seasoning or chicken stock, or chicken spice. Then I'm just going to add in turmeric. I'm also going to add salt, just a touch of salt, and black pepper. Lastly, we're adding 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs, and then we're going to go in with 2 cups of the chicken stock that we left earlier, and then add more water. I would say about 3 or 2 cups of water. Now I'm adding 1 grated tomato. Then I'm going to mix very well and then allow my beautiful chicken to simmer for another 1 hour 30 minutes. Make sure the heat is on medium and just leave this thing to do its thing. It will be so delicious, soft and full of flavor without being complicated with a lot of spices. There we go, my family. We are done. Total cooking time was 3 hours. This was so tasty, soft, succulent. It was just really amazing chicken. You can bite even into the bone. That's how soft the meat was. Please let me know in the comment section if you do try this recipe. I look forward to hearing from you. Quick taste test, and before I do that, please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. Leave me some yellow hearts in the comment section. And guys, do you eat the head? I'm really curious. Please let me know. Type yes I do or no I don't. This meat was delicious, soft, succulent. The sauce or the soup was just so nice, not too thick, not too watery. The balance was just top notch. So I really enjoyed it. I hope you try it and let me know if you do. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye family. See you in the next one.